everything, even eating is sad. I can't eat like I used to. I think about you. Everything is dull and sad. Like a black and white filter, I falter at the idea of getting older. I get amazed when I can't catch my breath. Geez, I'm in a craze like a car crash that was going a little too fast. I'm not even eating right, I might just die. Oh my, eating is not even fun anymore. I died last night, but somehow I'm still alive. I cry at midnight, cry at moonlight. I still fight just to cry. Should've died last night. I drink until I'm not here, work till I'm on a thread, make songs until I have no feels. I guess this is the end, but then I think of something new. I have a pretty nice life, other than a few. I need a curfew. I can't believe this is true. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I die when I try, but I'm just fine. I'm just fine. Oh no, look at the time. I'll pass out in a few after a few of these devilish things. You left me all alone. I can't even sit on my own throne. I guess if I can't beat death, I'll atone for these broken bones. I mourn these feelings that I can't feel anymore. I can't store these tears leaking out like a leaky faucet. I take action, I try to mediate the caution I take. I feel fake. Why am I so meek? My oh my oh my oh, I can't take this toll. I feel like a fool who's getting old. My rhymes are the sign that I gave up at 15, maybe even 16, but I'm still breathing. Are you proud of me? I guess I need to be proud of me. Could that be the key? Geez, I just want to be free. My oh my, this is why I cry, and probably why I want to die. Goodbye, my soul.